Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm reacting to Adi Ba Magane Bhima, Vijay Kumar, Charan Raj, Krishna Sarthak, Jagdish Gowda, and here we go. Music on Anandori. Krishna Creations, Jagdish Films, Krishna Sarthak, Jagdish Gowda. Nice. Look at that. Nice. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫೋಕ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಹಳೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಹಾಡು even the last song I reacted had a very folk song. Nice. Wow. Nice. Nice music. Vijay Kumar, he only wrote and directed. Nice. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Hey, that's Ganesh. Golden Star Ganesh. Oh, ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೂಪರ್. ನೈಸ್. ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? Nice. August 9th. ನಾಳೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಫೋಕ್ ಲಾಂಗ್, ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡ್ ಮಿ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ MTV. ಇದು ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Let's wait and watch. I hope this movie does well. It's got great album. Obviously Vijay, he's he does his own stunts, so that's another great this thing. Let me know what you felt about this song. I liked it. It had that hale folk ಊರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹಾಡು ಆ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. I enjoy those kind of music a lot, so I really liked it. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ how you felt about this music down in the comments. As always, thank you for watching. Peace.